Hello friends, my name is C.S. Ganesh Kandure. I am a practicing company secretary and today I am going to show you how to register, associate or role check digital signature on MCA portal and what are the software and system requirement for this DSC registration. So first of all friends, you have to check which version of OS is installed in your laptop or PC. It should be Windows 7 or above version of OS. Without that, you cannot go for DSC registration. Then, first process of DSC setting is to check your Internet Explorer version. In your Internet Explorer, go in Setting, click on the About Internet Explorer. Here you can see the Internet Explorer version is 11. It should be 9 or above version. If there is below 9 version, you should update the Internet Explorer and then go for DSC registration. Then the second step of registration is go into setting, in internet option, in security tab, click on sites button. Here you need to add MCA website as a trusted site, so add it by HTTP protocol. I have already added this website, so it is giving the same error. You need to again add this same website by removing HTTP protocol. I have also added the same. While adding the site, you need to uncheck this require server verification, then only you can add these websites. Now close this, click on OK. So now third step is to check Java version installed in your PC. So for this, go into control panel, features. Here you can see the Java version 8 update 92 is installed. It should be 8 update 92 only. Another version if installed in your PC, uninstall all the Java versions installed and then download this 8 update 92 from Oracle website. I have given a link of Oracle website in description below, so follow that link. Then you will find here various types of Java versions. So in these versions you have to download one version only. So it is JDK-82-Windows-i58 version. Only this version should be installed in your PC. So download it. Click here and click on download. You will be prompted for login. Enter your login details here, and here you will be prompted for download. Save the setup file, and after downloading the setup, install that setup. Friends, after installing the Java in your PC, configure that Java. In General tab, click on Setting, then click on Delete Files button. Here tick Install Applications and Applets. Click OK. It will clear all the caches in your PC. Then click on OK. Now then click on Update tab. Here untick Check updates automatically. So if you find this tick, untick that tick. It will be prompted for check quickly. Click on Do Not Check. Then click on Security tab. Here you have to add MCA website as like we have added same sites in Internet Explorer browser. So click here to edit site list. Click on add. Here you have to add mca.gov.in. Click on add. Again add same with HTTP protocol. Then click on OK. Apply and click on OK. Now our Java settings is completed. Now we have to install EM Signer from MCA website. For this, go on to MCA website, click on login. Here is the link given for download and install latest DSC WebSocket installer. Click here. In third FAQ, you will find link for download. Click on DSC registration. It will ask you for download. Save that setup file. After downloading the setup file, you will get this zip file. Open that file and install this setup in your system. Friends, after successful installation of EM Signer, we have to do one more last setting in our system. So let's complete it. Right click on your My Computer, click on Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, click on Environment Variables button, click New, type here Java underscore home. In variable values, we have to enter one link of C drive. So open your C drive, go into the program files x86, find Java folder. Here go into the JDK 1.8.0_92 folder. Copy this folder link and simply paste it in variable values and click OK. Now in system variables, find path, click on edit button, delete old variable values. Here add one more bin folder, copy this link and simply paste it here and click OK. Then click OK, click OK. Friends, now we have completed all the settings of DSC. Now we will check whether our settings are working or not. So let's go on the MCA portal. In MCA services, click on Associate DSC, select director, enter your DIN number here. It will show you that you have already registered your DSC. Do you want to update your DSC? Click yes. Enter your name, your date of birth, click next, enter your mail ID, select certificate. It is giving error that please start EM Signer. We have already installed EM Signer, so many professionals face this same error after doing all the DSC settings. So we have to start EM Signer. Right click on the EM Signer, run as admin, click yes. Now it is successfully started. Click OK. Here you can see your EM Signer. Click on this. Your EM Signer is successfully started now. Then go into your NCA portal. Refresh this page, because if you click select certificate now, it is even showing the error please start EM Signer. So refresh, enter your mail ID, select certificate. Here you can see our digital signature is showing here. Click on sign, enter your PIN, our DSC is entered here. Click here and submit. My DSC is already registered as a director, so it is giving error. You have already associated your digital signature. Friends, if you like this video, please comment me below and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.